Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are excited to unveil some new pieces that just landed in the boutique from Grizas.
Welcome lovelies. Happy day. Grizas boxes are here to be opened and we are excited.
So is Charlie.
And so is Charlie.
Hey! Charlie's a little puppy again. He runs around like a pup.
Yeah, he's a different dog.
I was in Lousje's house on the weekend. Nora's place. Oh my goodness.
You like today?
It's so exciting. I know there's a house tour on Saturday, ladies. If you didn't see it, go back on YouTube and you can see the house tour of all the drywall up, right? Was it all finished then?
Yeah, all finished. So now the carpenters are coming in to do the trim.
So I was there on Sunday and Charlie was running through the house like a little puppy. It was so cute.
It's cute.
It's a good vibe in there.
For the longest time he sat by the front door and he just wanted to leave. But now he's coming.
Well, it's cozy now and it's starting to become something.
And it's gorgeous.
And now all the floor I said to Glenn, I said, oh, what color are the floors? We don't know yet. What color are the walls? We don't know yet. So it's exciting. They get to pick everything now. Now comes the fun part.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's going to be beautiful.
Yeah. So
but yeah, and you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Nice color on you.
You know this top?
Yeah. Nice.
So comfortable.
Yeah.
Is it a nice color on me? Yeah.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah.
It's a biscuit. It's beautiful.
Biscuit.
And I love how you paired it up with the denim and the blue scarf.
I love this scarf. This is so batiky. Right?
It's cute, eh? With the little tassels. Yeah, that's a new one. I know, it's gorgeous.
Or a little delft blue.
Yeah, and then it's got the polka dots on the other side.
No,
beautiful.
very nice.
And the textured, one of my faves.
Yeah, and you.
Great piece. Yes, and me. But we do have a cut loose reorder coming. We reordered some pieces that sold out very quickly.
Yeah.
But yeah, I have on the beautiful new Ziska. We love these dots. Like, how gorgeous too with the pink and the teal.
Yeah.
I brought the necklace over too, ladies, to show you on this shirt. Just like you could wear just the, just the short one on here or the long drop.
Yeah.
And then of course.
What a fantastic line to carry.
Yeah, no, we love it. And the Grizas silk top. I thought for the Grizas unboxing I should wear it because it's such a beautiful color over the tank dress, which is so easy. But we have some new pieces, very exciting for the spring summer. Let's start the show, Charlie, and see what is going on here.
Excited too?
So we have a new pair of beautiful pants in a beautiful textured linen.
Oh, yes.
Gorgeous. So this is the balloon style pant.
Yeah.
Poor Charlie. Where is he? There he is. So these are the tweed balloon linen pants. Gorgeous. Pockets.
You know what is so cool too? This reinforced seam that goes out like this.
Yeah.
And that is the lantern, right, in it. It's just so many details.
Yeah. Elastic band.
Beautiful elastic band. And long. This one is long.
Yeah. That's the balloon style. So beautiful.
Yeah. Lovely.
Yeah. We do have another pair of pants. Our Grizas pants sell out so quickly.
Yeah.
This is the silk linen. It's a little bit of a different weave.
Oh, totally.
It's got a crunch to it.
It's a little lighter, right?
Yeah, this is a narrower, so that's nice, ladies. And pockets as well, which is great.
But what a great color, this teal.
This teal color, I know.
I love this color with white.
I know.
And then black, of course.
It's striking. Well, I have the teal on here.
You know,
yeah.
It's striking. And you know what is amazing too with this is chartreuse.
Yes.
This with the chartreuse.
Are you ready?
Oh my.
Guess what I got for you, just for you, Lousje.
Oh my God.
Look at that little jacket.
Oh my God. Tessa.
So it's a little bit of a different style, ladies.
Yes, it
nice
is.
New style with some slash, like tie up pockets.
Oh my God.
Beautiful little yellowy buttons.
And cute sleeves.
I know.
Look at the sleeves. Instead of, they used to make them long.
Yeah.
And you could cuff, but this is a whole different. I
Gorgeous.
think this has to, you know where this has to go to.
Your closet?
I think so.
Of course.
Just look.
She's like, Tessa, look. It matches your tan.
My fig. Okay.
She's going though. She's going to get her tan, ladies. Next set of videos, Lousje will have her tan from Savannah. You will be nice and tanned up, real tan.
Listen, you can, you have to get all the help you can get, right?
No. You look beautiful.
Anyway, I'm so excited.
So excited.
Yeah,
We have
look.
beautiful, the chartreuse in teal, absolutely gorgeous. And of course, we could not do it without a beautiful charcoal,
Anthracite, yeah.
which matches the tweed pants. Amazing.
Yeah, beautiful.
The chartreuse also matches the tweed pants.
Oh yeah.
Amazing.
Oh yeah.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful. You know, I would
picks
wear
it
this
up.
with a little white tee.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Lousje will style these up for you ladies.
Little white
And the
tee
next...
or the teal t-shirt.
Oh,
in
we have
teal.
a t-shirt in teal, which would be
too.
gorgeous.
Okay.
And the scarves, it's like, it's all coming together, hey?
Yeah, it's a whole series.
So we have a beautiful new top. I was so excited about this top.
Oh.
It's a nice tunic.
Oh, nice.
It's a linen knit.
Oh,
I love this
lovely,
color.
lovely,
This is the
lovely.
wild berry.
Yeah,
And look at the
lovely.
neckline. It's
Yes.
it's all twisted.
Oh my God, that's right.
Isn't that fun? And then look at these asymmetrical and pleats.
And you know what
Stunning
I like?
drape.
It's
Yeah.
fitted on top, and then you've got all
you
that room around your
yeah.
bum, you know?
Be cute with your jeans too.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
so
look at that
stylish.
denim with the
Oh, yeah. Nice
Yeah.
and long.
In the next 2 videos, we'll do some styling of these ladies, which we love to do for you, and show different accessories in the boutique and a few different ways to wear it. We also did it in the charcoal for you ladies that love dark black like me. You would love to wear this. Look at that.
Wow.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah, beautiful.
You can wear that over many things. Feel it, eh?
I know.
Grizas also pre-washes all their fabric, just so you know.
This
Oh,
jacket.
look at that.
Look
Oh
at
my
that.
goodness.
Yeah.
Those colors. They're so rich. That's the thing with Grizas colors, hey?
I know.
Like some lines, they have mousy colors, but these
Yeah.
are so vibrant and
The people that are in charge of the dyeing, because they do all their own, right? They're
Yeah.
dyeing and everything. They are master colorists.
absolutely. And that teal too. Like
I
it's
know.
striking. In person, ladies, I know our pictures online sometimes are a
Do
bit
not do it justice.
Yeah, but honestly, it is absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my favorite pieces.
Oh,
I am so excited about this one. So this is a silk tunic, and look at how gorgeous that is. It's an oversized.
Hello.
It's an oversized tunic.
This is so well thought out. The chiffon color, and then it comes back in the flounce.
Beautiful.
And it's a little, I think it's a high-low.
Yeah.
And then the double flounce, and the way it's cut, like, it will be so twirly and swirly, right?
Yeah, but it's going to fall nicely because
Of
the
weight.
fabric. Yeah, it's not
and
going to be
then the
too...
detail of
And
the
little
cuff,
cuff, which we
little,
love.
little slit right here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I would
little
love
buttons.
this over the tank dress. It'd be gorgeous.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
We'll
Let me
style
see the
that up.
back. Oh, nice. It's got a yoke and a seam in the middle.
I love their fabrics too. I mean, we go on and on about the colors, the fabrics, but honestly, Grizas is a pricier line, but the quality is there. It's so
yeah.
gorgeous.
It's
Yeah,
gorgeous.
it's beautiful. Breathtaking. All right, so we have one more tunic dress left. Look at these 2 beautiful colors.
Mama, look at
An
that.
unbelievable chartreuse.
Oh, I love it.
Gorgeous.
Oh, feel this fabric.
I know, it's like a European t-shirt.
fabric.
It's got
Absolutely
stretch, it's got
beautiful.
pockets.
Oh, love.
Gorgeous. I
Look at this
can't wait to
applique.
style that up. And then we have it in this beautiful blue.
Oh, I love
It's a
this.
beautiful blue.
Oh, yes.
It's so pretty. And there's 3 appliques here. They have the same ink splash as the other collection that we got in
That's
earlier.
right.
And the neckline is gorgeous. I can't wait to style that up. Yeah, and
Beautiful.
leggings. You can wear it with leggings because I think it hits you at the knee, so you can wear it with or without.
Exactly.
You could style that up all year, really.
For sure.
All right, ladies, we hope you enjoyed our Grizas unboxing. Very
Can't wait
fun.
to style.
We cannot wait. Charlie's super excited.
He's asleep right now. He must have had a very busy weekend. Anyway, I think the cold takes a lot out of them too, eh? The animals.
He's a cutie because he's got no fur left.
No.
But he has a little coat, doesn't he? You have to
Yeah.
take a picture and show the
I have a
ladies.
picture.
Oh, you do?
His little hat coat with his collar right up.
Oh, you
and
have to
his
show
ears fall right over it.
Oh,
I get stopped all the time. How
Show
cute
us.
he is. Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
At first, I put it on and he didn't want to come off the porch. He was just standing there. I'm not going anywhere. He probably thought I looked ridiculous. So I have to yank him, and then he came. And now he likes it.
He's so cute.
Okay, lovelies.
All right, ladies. Well, thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed the video. As always, if you have any questions, please let us know. We love reading your comments, so please keep them coming.
Like and subscribe.
And have an amazing day.
Keep on smiling.